I'm recording everybody. I sure am. We're out here. We out here.
Right to the ground. See that? Huge.
Oh, that's... We're about to try to make an igloo. Oh, this doggone snow.
You know that big on the front, like that big ice thing? This thing? Oh, it's red now. That was raining.
Round.
Anna! Yeah, they called themselves shoveling yesterday. Oh, be careful.
She coming for you.
This chick. What you about to do with that?
Rain it.
Oh, okay. Cause I thought you was about to throw it at me. Where's your hat at?
It's lost.
It ain't lost.
It's not lost. It's in the corner.
You see that hole over there? That spot there. The rest of it is there.
Yeah, because we're trying to make it nice and full. The higher it is, the better it is. See how it's getting a hill?
Yeah, right there. See that
We're going to make a tunnel. Make igloo. So that's what you do with snow. You make snowmans, you make things. Really, little one? Get me. Don't fall. When snow collides. Oh. Okay, be careful.
Watch out.
I'm not gonna bust him in the head. Don't worry.
You sure about that? That would be so fun.
Oh my, you tired?
Oh, she did this split. You want me to shoot? She is doing it. She just did this split.
Can you get up?
Y'all don't know how to
No,
make
you did it.
Why don't you do a snow angel?
You know how to do a snow angel, Anna? Let me see you.
Oh, yeah.
She's like, I know.
That'll be a good one.
I know.
Oh, yeah. Look at that snow angel.
We having fun over here.
Snow angel.
Yeah, because yesterday they put him in a coffin.
Who did?
They built a like a grave thing, and they put him in a coffin. I think it was Hamilton.
Can I use this red one?
Yeah. It was funny though.
Oh, please don't bust me in my face. Yo, this is gonna be pretty good. It's gonna be a pretty good
Igloo, it is. Because there's enough snow. Shoot, I'm looking at that snow up there, and I'm like, dang, maybe we should use that snow right there too. Make a big igloo. A 2-story igloo. What y'all know about that? What y'all know about that? What?
I'll cut it.
Oh, be careful.
You okay?
Yeah.